Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to move clips around in Capcut. Firstly, to do so you need to disable the magnet tool in Capcut. If you're finding your clip snapping to the left when you move it, you can temporarily place it on a new track above. This bypasses the snapping for now. To turn off the snapping feature for good, just click on the magnet tool icon at the top, or use the shortcut key P. With this off, you can move clips anywhere on the timeline without them snapping. Now, you can adjust the clip's position however you want, since the magnet tool is what keeps the clips sticking together. And that's it guys. If this was helpful, check out more tutorials on our channel. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.